Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Task number 82.
Math Task 82. So this is a program that Dan Anderson made, and it's really neat. So if you move the mouse, you create more lines. So back and forth with the mouse.
Huh.
Okay, so you create more lines. Now go back to where there's just only a few. Okay. And then make two. Or three. Three's fine. Alright, let go of the mouse. So now the arrow keys, the up and down, press the up and down arrows. Make three lines, sorry. Okay. Alright, there's fine. Press the arrows. It changes the orientation of the lines with respect to each other.
So
Okay.
now this one is over here.
Well, it just changes how see how these are all pointing in the same direction?
Yeah.
And then rotate them differently?
No,
Now they're
not.
pointing in slightly different directions.
No, it's pointing at me.
Okay, now do the left-right arrows.
There's one. Yeah, so now I get triangles, squares, pentagons. So this increases the number of sides.
Yeah, now go back to lines. Okay, now play with it.
So let's see what there is if you do.
And down here, by the way, it tells you, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera, so here you've got 26 lines. And then you could change how they're rotating with respect to each other, for example.
So if I do this, it's interesting. Right there.
I'm just going to close the door.
Oh, that's interesting. So I've got kind of a, it looks like kind of a cylinder. Maybe if I increase number of lines, I got it to sort of, see now that looks like a sort of a three-dimensional thing. And I think I see a Mobius strip.
Oh my gosh, a Mobius strip. Look at that. So that's 42
42
two-gons.
49 two-gons.
Oh, is it 49? Sorry.
98 lines.
Yeah, on the two, he's counting the lines going back and forth, so it's really just 49 lines. That's all right. And wow, that does kind of look like a Mobius strip. I can't tell though. Is it twisted?
I think it's twisted.
Okay, that's a great discovery. So 49, and then rotated at minus 37. All right.
Oh, what's that? Just keeps bouncing out and in. This is kind of the symmetrical orientation. More and more of those things. It's interesting. That's kind of hexagonal. That's what I see. There's a circle in the middle that isn't being touched.
Oh wow.
And kind of visualize it. If I go back to there, that kind of looks like a cylinder.
Yeah, it sure does.
So it's 48 two-gons, so 96. And so that was one less lines than our 49. On that.
Huh. So
So it always has this.
so 49, and then it was now you had it rotated at minus 49 before. Sure makes lots of interesting shapes just by changing the rotation.
The Mobius strip one was at there. What happens if I put
49 and minus 37.
the Mobius strip doesn't work with lower versions, or it only seems to work with this one at
49. Yeah, it's hard to land right on it. There you go.
it's the Mobius strip one, and again there's kind of the shape in the middle that isn't being touched by lines.
Yeah, alright, so I'm going to start a new movie, okay?
Okay.